for this notion that Sarah with an H emailed me a few weeks ago. It's from OESD. It's called the Perfect Punch Tool. And I have to admit, I've tried one of these handheld hole punch tools in the past. I don't remember the brand of the one I tried before, but it had a wooden handle. That's all I remember about it. And I remember I tried to punch holes through just a single layer of cork fabric, and it couldn't even get holes through that. And so I thought, well, this is the tool that I had previously. I thought, well, this is not appropriate for bag making. But Sarah emailed me about the OESD tool, and I thought, I guess I'll give it a try. It's not terribly expensive, and if it works, great, and if it doesn't work, then I'll just put it wherever that other wooden handle tool went. But I'm very pleased to say it works amazing. If you don't have a rivet tabletop press with a hole punch die, this is a really great option, especially this hole punch tool with Chicago screws. Chicago screws, you just use a screwdriver to screw in, but they give the look of rivets. So it's a really inexpensive way to get the look of rivets in your bag without all of the expense of the tabletop press. So I'm going to have Danny switch to the overhead camera. I'll share the packaging really quick. So yeah, that's great, Danny. Again, this is from OESD, and there's 3 different hole punch tips included: 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, and 4 millimeters. So for rivets or Chicago screws, I usually use the 3 millimeter, which is the middle size, but of course there's the 3 different sizes, so you have options. And this is what the tool looks like. I'm actually using my folding cutting mat so I can get it on the set for you. This is what it looks like. I've got the 3 millimeter hole punch in it right now, and then the really cool thing about it is the cap just pops off, and there's storage for the other 2 sizes that you're not currently using. So I think that's really handy. They just slide in and out. So really nice to have them all in one place so you're not going around looking through your sewing room. All right, where's the other sizes? And let me show you how you can install the die. So again, this is the 3 millimeter die. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, I've already been punching some things with it. It just kind of sits in the opening right there, and then this portion just screws on to hold it in place. So very easy. I have all these samples from past shows. This is actually a strap, so it's got quilting cotton basically folded in 4s, because that's how I usually sew straps, and it's got shape flex on it as well. I'm actually going to stand up really quick just so I can have a little bit of extra oomph. So let me move that to the front of the camera. So I'm just going to place that, push down. I'm going to use a little bit of elbow grease. As you can see, it made a nice clear hole through, again, that's 4 layers of fabric and 4 layers of shape flex interfacing. That's the hole I just made. And then I also wanted to test it with, I thought this wouldn't work, to be honest, when I first tried it, but I was really pleasantly surprised. So I went with the most that I probably would ever do as far as layers for cork, and I went with, there's 4 layers of cork right here. So let's see. Kind of going to lean into it a little just because that's a lot of layers. There you can see the green cutting mat underneath, so it went through all 4 layers of the cork, which is really super great and amazing. And I will say one thing about this, like I said, it requires a little bit of elbow grease pushing down. Not terrible, but if you have difficulties or challenges with your hands, such as arthritis, if it pains your hands to be gripping and pushing down, maybe the tabletop press would be better for you. But for I was really excited about this because there's some instances where I just don't feel like pulling out the tabletop press for like a quick punch if I just needed a single hole. And so definitely will be using this in combination with my tabletop press sometimes, but this is a really great option. Like I mentioned, it's inexpensive, and you can combine it with Chicago screws for your rivet finishes on bags if you prefer, and that will be a really inexpensive option. So again, this is the OESD Perfect Punch Hole Punch Tool. Link is in the description for this, and yeah, I was super pleased, and I have to say I was shocked. I was shocked it initially got through all 4 layers of the cork, which is fantastic. So